Hello everyone, welcome to SP Global Solution. Today I am explaining very important topic, that is a square root part number 3. In a square root part 1, part 2 we have already done 3 type of question. Type 1 question, type 2 question and type 3 question. In this part number 3 we are going to explain type number 4. Let us see the question. Question is what? What is smallest number we should subtract from the following number so that it become perfect square. So here 3 question. First question 245, 665, 1240. So what is smallest number we subtract from this number so that it become perfect square. So for this type of question, what is the technique? So we will use here division method. Whenever there is a question, what number should be subtracted? Then we use which method? That is division method. So let us see the first question. The first question is given 245. So we are starting with division method. We have already explained in part 1 what is the division method. So first we are making pair 45 and here 2. So now this is 2. We are making that number, squaring that number give 2. And if not 2, then slightly less. So 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2, 4. 4 is greater. So we go for 1. So this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. And 1 into 1 here. Now you see this is 2. This is 1. Now second pair is what? 145. Now we will check what number we divide this number so that we get 145. If not 145, then slightly less because my question subtract. So when the question of subtract, then take slightly less. So we are checking. First checking from 5. Here 5 and multiply 5. So 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10 to 12. 1 to 5, this is less. So we checking with 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 2s are 12, 3, 15. 1 5, it is greater. So go for 5. So we are going for 5. So this is 2 5 5 5. So 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10 to 12. Now you see, add this number, this is 30. Subtract this number, this is 20. So my correct answer is what? 20. If we will subtract 20 from this number, then we will get what? Perfect square number because 245 minus 20, 225. 225 is what? 15 squares. That means 225 is perfect square. So here our answer is what? 20. Because if we will subtract 20, we will get perfect square. So my answer is 20. This is the first part. Now see question number second. So second question is what? 665. Again we are solving this question by division method. So first step is what? Make pair. And then this is what? 6. Again same logic, make counting. 1 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9. 3 3 ja 9 is greater. So don't go for greater, come down. 2 2 ja 4. So we go for 2, 2, 2 and here 4. So now this is 4 and subtract this 2. Second pair is what? 6 5. Now we will check which number we divide so that it give 265. If not 265, then slightly less. So we will check again from 5. 5 5 ja 25. 5 4 ja 20, 22 to 5. If we go for 6, 6 6 are 36. 6 4 ja 24, 3, 27. So 2 7 6, it is greater. So don't go for greater, go for less when question of subtraction. So this is 5. So 5 here, 5 here and 5 here. 5 5 ja 25, 5 4 ja 20, 25. Now you see this is 10, this is 5. Subtract this number, you will get what? 40. So our correct answer is what? 40. When we subtract 40 from here, we will get what? 625. And 625 is what? Perfect square. It is square of 25. So here our correct answer is what? That is 40. So 40 is our right answer. Now again explaining the same, that is the third question. See. So the third question is 1240. So again same technique, make pair, first pair and second pair. Now it is 12. So 3 3 are 9, less number, 4 4 are 16, greater. So don't go for greater, come down 3. So we will take with 3, 3 3 are 9. So we will write here. So add this number, subtract this number and write next number. Now this is 340. Now check which number we divide so that it give either 340 or slightly less, not greater. So we are going for checking first 5. So 5 5 are 25. 5 6 are 30, 32, 3 2 5. If we go for 6, 6 6 are 36 and 6 6 are 36, 3 39, 3 9. It is greater. So don't go for greater, come down. So we go for 5. So again this is 5, this is 5. So 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 32. So this is 10 and this is 7. Here subtract, so 10 minus 5, 3 minus 15. So here our answer is what? 15. If we subtract 15 from this, we will get what? 1225. This is square of 35. So 1225 is what? Perfect square. So here our correct answer is what? 50. In this way we have solved all the three questions with a division method.